Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Odessa, Florida. We're gonna be doing the pool deck and the pool cage cleaning for this returning customer. This is one of two jobs today I'm gonna be doing. I'm also gonna be getting my ladder rack put on my truck, which I'm gonna film for you guys so you guys can see the little process. Should be pretty cool. I'm gonna give the guy that's doing it some exposure on my channel so he can get more jobs, because he's a small business just like me. He's a mobile welder, so the truck is not registered yet to drive to a shop, so it worked out perfect for me. So we out here, we're gonna do this job. We got some nature behind us. Look at that, it's pretty cool, right? Just hanging out, big nice property. Lot of land. I'm gonna show you guys the pool cage. I did this pool cage here 2 years ago. I reached out last year to them. They said it was still good, it wasn't ready, but you can see it's pretty dark all throughout right there. But this year the customer reached out to me to get it done. So you got some green up there, pretty bad. Oh yeah, definitely overdue. All that right there gotta get cleaned up. Chlorine, SH, sodium hypochlorite, all that is the same thing. That's what we're gonna be using. Yeah, this baby was due for sure. 2 years of build up. Outside has got some green also. We're gonna bring it back to life. We're gonna be downstreaming our SH today with a downstream injector. I use the super sud sucker. Gets the job done real good. All right, let's get it. So we got an outside downstream. I know it looks like I'm not using any soap or surfactant. Trust me, there's some in there. I just don't have a gang of it in there, so I'm not rinsing a lot. Let me show you guys. So it's in there. You guys, so we got the cage downstream on the inside and out. It's kind of cold out here today, so the SH might take a little longer to work. 48 degrees, so it's coming out pretty well, man. Just gonna give it a little bit more dwell time before I rinse it off. See what it looks like. Let's go check out the inside. See these heavy algae spots. It's coming off like butter. All right, now it's time to give it a good rinse. If it needs to be touched up again, you know, we can go ahead and reapply another layer. Alright, so we got the one side done. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I got touch up. See all that right there? All that right there gotta go. So I'm gonna use a straight mix just to touch it up with, and all of that will go away. So you guys see the top beams, how they're so dirty. I'm using my jet wash tip to get the algae off the top. You can see it all through this one here. How that side is clean, that side is clean, but you got the algae, heavy algae right there. So the jet wash tip takes it off really easy. I'm gonna put you guys on the one cam. quick recap, show you guys how everything looks. This is the outside of the cage. Looking pretty good out here. Check out the inside. This stuff doesn't come off. That's rust stains from the sprinklers. That's not part of the pressure washing service. This is the tops. Top beams looking good. Same thing over here, see? That's from that screw. Everything else is pretty clean. Gotta rinse that off right here. Got some dirt on it. Probably dribbled from the top. So this is the tops. Looking good, man. Pretty satisfied with the project. Nice and bright in here. Got the deck cleaned up also. Wasn't that dirty anyway, but looking good also. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse that spot off, and I'm gonna see you guys at the next job. All right, you guys, we're at the second job for the day. Nothing major to it, just a driveway cleaning. This is a returning customer again. I think I did this driveway here maybe a year and a half ago. It's not that dirty still. They just want to get it touched up. Not that much algae. A little bit of algae on the sidewalks, but nothing too crazy. Pretty easy, man. Straightforward. Let's knock it out and be done for the day. All right, you guys, we're finished for the day, man. Nice little day, short and quick for me. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow I'm back at it again. I got 2 jobs, possible 3 on the schedule tomorrow. Let's check out the driveway, man. So this is the driveway here. I know it's got some shadows on it. You can't really see, but as you guys see, I didn't pre-treat this one here because it wasn't that bad, so it wasn't needed. Guys, this is the sidewalks. Clean that up. Clean the street curbs. Down to the property line. The driveway is looking pretty good. No pre-treatment on this one here. It wasn't that bad, so there was no need to use the SH. Walkway is looking pretty good too. Good work, man. Good work. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that bell for those notifications. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.